Hello everyone. So in today's video, we'll complete both the challenge of platform app builder certification maintenance. So we'll click on the first challenge, and after clicking on that, it will take us here. Now here we'll scroll down, and after scrolling down, the correct answer for the first question is B, and the correct answer for the second question is A, and now the correct answer for the third question is D, and the correct answer for the fourth question is A. Now we'll just click here to check challenge, and after checking that, we'll go for the second challenge. We'll come here, and after coming to second challenge, we'll scroll down, and then we'll click on launch, and after clicking on launch, it will take us to the new tab. Meanwhile, we'll close the first challenge, and after coming to this new tab, see here there is app launcher. Just click on that, the 9 dots, and after clicking on the app launcher, here we'll just type cases, CASES, and we'll click on cases, and after clicking on cases, it will take us here. Now see here, under this also there is list view control, a gear icon. Click on that, then click on new, and after clicking on new, for this list name, come here from where we have started this challenge. Here we'll scroll up, and after scrolling up, see here we have to find here all cases sorted. So see here, all cases sorted is written here. So we'll copy this all cases sorted, and after copying this, we will come here and we will paste it under list name, and after pasting that under list name, here see here all user can see this list view should be selected, and after selecting that, we'll click on save. Now after clicking on save, again click on this small gear icon, then click on, see here selected field to display will be written. Click on that, and after clicking on that, see these all things should be selected here: case number, contact number, subject, status, priority, date / time opened, case owner, alias, and after checking that, click on save, and after clicking on save, see here there is a column sort, the arrows. Click on that, and after clicking on that, see case number is written. We'll click on it, and then here click on status, and after clicking on status, ascending should be selected. Then click on add a sort column, and after clicking on that, see here select a column is written. Click on that, then select priority, and for the priority it should be descending, and after clicking on descending, click on apply, and after clicking on apply, we'll wait for a while. See here list view updated came here. Now we'll just come here, then we'll scroll down, and after scrolling down, we'll just click here to check challenge. Guys, I don't say this at the starting of this video because it will waste some kind of your time, guys. If you like my content, do support with a like and subscribe, guys. It will help me a lot. And if you face any kind of error, you can comment it in the comment section. I will be providing the solution as soon as possible, guys. And if you want any kind of video, you can comment the topic name, guys. I will be providing the video for that also, guys. So do support with a like and subscribe, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.